Question number 6. Question number 6 states find x power 4 in the expansion of x power 4 in expansion of 3 minus 2x power 7. If dear students, you can see what is given here. Yes, it is 3 minus 2x power 7. First we compare here with compare 3 minus 2x power 7 with general form. What that general form is, a plus x raised to power, and we find a is equal to 3, x is equal to minus 2x here, x prime we name minus 2x, and is same as 7 here, and is equal to 7 we write. After this, dear students, what we do now, tr plus 1, we apply this formula, tr plus 1 is equal to ncr a and minus r x r, x is x prime here. Then we substitute values, n is 7, r is unknown, we don't know what r is, a is 3, n minus r, x is minus 2x, its power r is unknown, this is dr plus 1. Now after this, we would like to find r. As he says, find x power 4, term involving x power 4. So for to make x power 4 here, we have to keep r is equal to 4. Now we write for term involving x power 4, for term involving x power 4, put r is equal to 4. When r is 4, then look at it how it transforms. t 4 plus 1, r is 4, 7 c4, 3 power 7 minus 4 minus 2x power r is 4v. Select it, and this is d5. d5 is the required term, 7c4. This is 35. 3 power 3 is 27, and minus 2 power 4 is 16, x power 4. This will be answer. We can simplify it, it will be answer, right? Question number 6 to 12 all are same. So next we move to the other question. What is it we are going to solve now? Question number 7. Now we will solve question 7, where he wants coefficient of xn in second part. Coefficient of xn we are going to find out. So let's begin. Question number 7. Question number 7 second part is coefficient of x power n is required, and this is given. Given structure is x square minus 1 by x power 3n, 2n. This is 2. Compare this with, as we did earlier, compare with, I told you that from 6 to 12 these questions are similar. So we compare it with a plus x raised to power n. This tells us a is x square, x is minus 1 by x, n is 2n. So since question uses n and x, so we write general x and n as x prime, n prime. Now we again use tr plus 1. ncr, an minus r, x r, Our x is x prime, n is n prime, so we can mention it here. Next, we have to substitute values. By substituting values, n is 2n, r is unknown, yet r is unknown. A is x square, n minus r, and x prime. X is minus 1 by x. Power r is unknown, so we keep it. Now we would like to find r here, what that r will be. So dear students, let's look. It is dr plus 1 is equal to 2nc r. X power, we write this minus 1 power r first, minus 1 power r, and we can see x is here as well as here. So what is the power of x here? 4n minus 2r. This 2 gets multiplied to make it 4n. This 2r. 4n minus 2r. And this x power r will join this and it will be subtracted from r. So we do not require So dear students, let's look at it again. Tr plus 1 is equal to 2ncr. X power 4n minus 2r. This x power r will be subtracted in numerator minus r. This minus 1 power r remains in this form. After it, we substitute. It is 2ncr. X power 4n minus 3r minus 1 power r. We substitute 4n minus 3r is equal to what we require. We require x power n. This is x power of this form. We require instead of it n. If we bring that n on left side, it will be 3n. Is 3r on the other side. 3n is equal to 3r. N is equal to r. It will be n is equal to r. So n is found. We will substitute it here. T n plus 1 it will become, because the value of r is n. N plus 1. 2nc n. X power n. Minus 1 power r. R is n. This will be answer. But answer is not given in this shape. Answer is given in NCR form. So we have to apply the NCR formula here. T n plus 1 is equal to n factorial r factorial n minus r factorial. This is formula of NCR. Minus 1 power n x n. What it will become? This will be answer. We can see it will be n factorial, n factorial, n factorial square. So this is answer. This was required here. Again, it is application of TR plus 1. So students, let's move to next question. Question number 8, if you look at question 8, here the value of r will be 5. To make T6, we will keep value of r 6. So it is easy to understand. We will compare same pattern of solution. I am leaving question 8 for you and solving question 9 part 3. I am going to solve question 9 part 3. This is very important question and a little technical also. So let us begin solving this. Question number 9. He says find term independent of x. Term independent of x is required. And in third part, what is given? Given is 1 plus x square cube, and with it 1 plus 1 by x square power 4. We combine this. Next step we do is this. We combine these two factors and make one structure. We combine them together. It will be x square here, x square plus 1 power 4. So you can see that this is 1 plus x square, this is 1 plus x square. We write them together. 1 plus x square, their powers added, 3 power this and 4 power this. These are powers are added, and this x square power 4 will be x power 8. I hope you can see. And next, what can we write next? We want to write whole power. So it's power 7, it's 8. We want to write both in numerator denominator power either 7 or 8. So we make power 7 and both numerator denominator. How can we do this? 1 plus x square power 7. We can multiply and divide this 8 by 7. So it will be 8 by 7 and 7. Can you see that we multiplied and divide by 7? Otherwise these 7 cancelled. It is x power 8 which is already there. So this allows us to combine this structure in this form. Structure is combined in this form. 1 plus x square x power 8 by 7 power 7. So we can write this power combined as 7. So then we write 1 by x power 8 by 7 x square by x power 8 by 7 power 7, and then now we compare. We write it once again. It is minus 8 by 7, and what is it? X power 2 minus 8 by 2 minus 8 by 7. These powers, denominator power will be subtracted in numerator, so it becomes 14 minus 8, 6 by 7 power 7. We compare this with a plus x raised to power n. This gives us a x power minus 8 by 7, x power 6 by 7, n is equal to 7. Comparison gives this, and after it we apply TR plus 1. NCR a n minus r x r. X is x prime, only thing here. Now we substitute values. N is I'll upload this video on YouTube also, inshallah. So we now substitute values. We now, dear students, substitute values. T r plus 1 is equal to NCR. N is 7, r is unknown. A is this, you can see, x power minus 8 by 7, its power n minus r. And then we write x is 6 by 7 power r. R is unknown. Now this is 7CR. X power will be combined. X power, what it becomes, minus 8 plus 8 by 7 r. This x has power 6 by 7 r will be added to it because both x are getting multiplied. 6 by 7 r. 7CR x power minus 8 plus, if you take LCM of these two terms, it will be 7. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 by 7, 2r. We do not require this power of x. We require term independent of x. So we write for term independent of x, put minus 8 plus 2r. This power of x equal to 0 gives us r is equal to 4. R is found. Now we substitute here t r plus 1. R is 4. 4 plus 1. 7c4. X power minus 8 plus, it will be x power 0 because this is equal to 0. So this is 35 answer.